Every marketplace, every ad platform has a way that you should view it. Yes, you definitely want to look at ROI because definitely, if we're talking Facebook ads, if we are talking Google ads, those are completely divorced from any other rankings or visibility. If you're simply paying for that visibility, what's my return on that visibility? Okay, these are my hard numbers. And maybe you go a second farther and you calculate like lifetime value of the customer. So instead of just evaluating, oh, maybe the ROI of my ads is slightly negative, if we're just looking at it from an ad sale perspective. But when we factor in the fact that your total sales are growing, your organic rankings growing, we're seeing the positive signals and we actually can calculate that the account is positive on a whole, then if we're losing out on, say, 30%, but we're positive on the 100%, and in fact, the total sales is greater than it would be had we not done these ads, well, then it probably makes more sense for us to continuously run them.